Welcome back. Jesus Christ. Welcome back to Next Level Rides. In this episode, we've got our good buddy Marcel here. He said hello.
Hello.
And we've got his car in the background.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is install this lovely CTS prototype Catback onto his Martini Golf R. So this exhaust is one of very, very, very few. It may be the first one in Canada that's getting installed, or at least Alberta, onto a Golf R. It's a Catback, so it does retain the factory downpipe, and it will end up sounding really good. The nice thing is that this one here retains the factory motors, so the factory Valvetronic, I guess you could call it. Would they call it Valvetronic? Flappies. So the dingle flappy things, I think maybe Valvetronic is an actual brand, but it retains those, so if you want it tame, you've got that, and if you want it big old bois status, then yeah, you can open them up. Marcel's gonna fire it up. We're gonna see what it sounds like in regular mode and sport mode. Actually not that bad when the valves are open.
No.
If that ends up becoming the normal mode, I think that'd be pretty sweet. Yeah, he didn't obviously rev the piss out of it because it's a little bit cold. So, sounds pretty good. Now it's gonna go up in the air and we're gonna get ripping it off. It's a big chunky muffler. It looks comparable to the one on the floor. Quick Marcel, now's your time, drop it low. So you have your downpipe, but the downpipe just has a big flex joint in it, and then it splits to two cats?
Yeah, looks like it.
So really, how restrictive is your factory downpipe? It literally splits into two cats.
Some guys online have been saying that you don't necessarily need to go the catless route on these cars, and they make decent power with the stock stuff too.
Yeah, I've never seen this. This is pretty nuts. Yeah, because it's all just one flex joint. It's gonna be hard to see on video, but yeah. So it's on the turbo, and then you have a big flex joint that goes to this weirdo Y that goes to another Y with two cats.
But
interesting. Why? I don't know why. That's the thing. We don't even probably have to take this brace off, I bet. So these are gonna be, they're probably gonna be 215s or 216s, and then it's just a matter of 1, 2, where is it? This one is bolt on, so 3, and over here, 4. So we're gonna take those out and we're gonna drop the exhaust down and yeah, disconnect the motors. There's these lovely connectors that you have to deal with. And with the pick tool, now we should be able to pick this one out.
Please hold on, we try to connect you. Ding,
Yeah.
ding.
These are super annoying. So when you, there we are. All right, so after you walk it out, you should be able to just depress it like my life and wiggle it out. All right, Marcel.
Keep coming. Pop, pop.
Pop, pop. You're gonna have to hold the whole exhaust now.
Yeah, I know. I might shit myself.
There we go. Exhaust is down and it's dripping water, so let's just do one of those. Marcel took the 8mm bolts out of this one. You can see here and here. On either side of the spring, it goes in between these 2 points here, and this will dictate the valve. So when it's like this, it'll be either open or shut, and then it shuts. So we're not gonna touch this, but we're gonna move the valve on that one so that it lines up. Interesting, they don't line up. It's not even close. What we're gonna try is, they may be in the half open position. So I'm gonna hold on to one of them while Marcel plays with the switches and see if it's gonna turn to the point where we can connect it to the new exhaust. And maybe we'll fire it with open downpipe. Nope, it's not doing nothing. You might need to start it. Yeah, it moved. That's where we need it. Yes. The one moved back. Start it again. Open. It keeps spinning. Hold on. Shut it off. It keeps spinning, but eventually it might be in the right orientation. Yeah, see, now we can put this one in. We just needed it to stop, because what it'll do is when it goes to close, it'll sense the resistance, right? Yeah. So now it's in a position where we can, put it in and then bolt it. So what we're gonna do is, as it's cycling, I will just unplug it. So stupid. I think we have the problem solved. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these in the right orientation, and then we'll get back to you guys. We need these. These are such a pain. One more. Oh, now Marcel's gonna shuffle this out of the way, and we're gonna hang the rear muffler, so he'll hold it and we'll put it in, then the mid piece. I was gonna say pipe and piece at the same time. It almost sounded like penis. To connect the two pipes, we're gonna use the factory bend for this piece, since they're the same diameter. But before we snug this one up, this one, being the adapter one, we need to put in here. So this bend, we're gonna slip over. That's what's gonna hold this one in place. And this one slides inside, like that. So when this is up, you essentially bolt everything nice and tight. You pull this one straight, and then you band clamp it. Easy. Well, the tips are finally on. I'm not even going to say how long it took me and Marcel to do that.
5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes. No, you know what it was? It was 5 YouTube minutes. And if you appreciate the 5 YouTube minutes, feel free to like and subscribe. Anyways, tips are on. The rest is all snugged up. The 213s for the factory band clamp, 16, all of the mounts, and the tips. We're gonna lower it, see if the valves work, see what it sounds like. Closed? Yeah, it sounds closed. It sounds like what your sport mode was. Huh. Oh yeah. You can hear it was like it was trying to adjust, figure it out. Let me make sure it's coming out of both. Oh yeah. Okay, gas me out. Pop for me, Daddy.
What, Papa?
Do you remember that video? What, Papa, Daddy?
What, Papa?
Okay, well, that's the exhaust. I think it sounds pretty bloody awesome. It's pretty tame. I mean, even Marcel mentioned there isn't any crazy drone inside. And I think it's kind of like an OEM plus.
That's what I was looking for too. There is racing systems that we talked about that potentially I was looking into getting, but
Yeah.
I'm young, but I'm too old to have that headache. Drone shakes the whole car at highway speed.
Yeah.
I didn't want that.
Yeah.
This is perfect. OEM plus.
Yeah, OEM plus. You know, and I've personally overbuilt cars, especially exhaust systems. And then nowadays, like on Taylor's, I can't stand driving in Taylor's car for 5 hours. But the 1 Series is borderline. But this is perfect. Okay, let us know what you guys think down in the comments. And as always, feel free to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. That'd be weird. He probably would be sick. Look. I can't do it. This exhaust is going to be better than the stock one. There's like, don't. Excuse me. I need some room. Everyone needs to get them a mechanic doggo. I'm observing, guys. Make sure you guys are safe.